Hello everybody, this is Jester. Today's topic is, ano bang networking? And ikaw, dapat ka bang sumali dito? Basically, ang networking is a system of moving products to consumers. It is more popularly called as network marketing sa abroad, but in the Philippines, it's called networking. Ang networking, hindi talaga siya scam. Maraming mga pyramiding and they pose as networking. So bakit ko sinimulan tong video? Para ma-educate ang ibang networkers and ibang tao about networking. Ako kasi I love networking and isa sa mga visions ko, makatulong ang networking sa bansa natin, sa Philippines, na maging first world country ito tulad ng Indonesia, Malaysia, Singapore. Malaki ang natulong ng networking. As you can see, very convenient gawin ng networking. Titingnan nyo, nakapambahay lang po ako ngayon. Sando and boxers ko, yung favorite ko. And I can do my business while at home. Kung kailan ko gusto mag-work, I do it. Maraming mga tao na misinformed sila about networking. I mean, negative sila, pero hindi naman nila ito sinasadya. Kundi dahil sinabihan lang sila ng friend nila or narinig lang nila. So hindi talaga sila nag-research kung ano talagang networking and kung maganda pa talaga ito. Some of the common na misconceptions about networking are:
Scam! Kaya mo ako ini-invite para pagperahan. Pyramiding! Kaibigan ko sumali sa ibang networking, hindi naman yumaman. Recruiting agency! Sige, try ko yan. Pag wala na akong ibang choice, para sa'yo lang yung linyang yan. Hindi ako magaling magsalita. Hindi ako mahilig mang-recruit. Ang mga nauna lang yayaman.
So why should you join networking? Maraming reasons. Number one is for the dream, to earn extra income. And ang networking very convenient dahil you can start at a small capital and earn very big if you treat it as a real business. You can save a lot of time dahil yung pwede mong ma-earn through your job in 10 years, possible in networking, you can earn in 1 to 3 years. So iba-iba ang motivation natin. Iba-iba ang dreams, pero ako, I encourage you when you start your networking business na you have a very emotional why. Kailangan malaki ito for your family, for the future of yourself, your children. So, in our future episodes, we'll discuss what if nag-join ka na sa networking company and how do you start? Maraming nagtatanong doon. Member na ako ng networking, anong next na gagawin ko? So, remember, if you like this video, please click like and subscribe.